Welcome to Motivation Zone. Dream do not work, except you make it work. On your way to success. What you do make a difference, and you have to determine what kind of difference you want to make. Nature have the power to make you emotional. Man walk with woman, hen walk with chick, but nature humble vegetation. Yesterday is gone forever. Tomorrow will soon come. You only have today with you. The number one quality of an entrepreneur is to endure the pain for a long period of time. To save others, you have to save yourself first. Like and share. Please subscribe.